What's going on, you guys? I'm hitting you back up with another little video today, my friends. I hope everyone is doing fantastic on this Friday. I actually took off work today and tomorrow, Friday and Saturday, to be able to work on my dreams. You heard me? But today, I'm gonna show you all what we're working on. And guess what? Your boy still got the garage. Yeah. All right, what we're working on today is this GMC Yukon. Okay, it's got the 5.3 liter in it. And what I'm having problems with right now is the oil pressure keeps going down. I've already replaced the oil sending unit, the oil sending unit pickup screen. It didn't even have a pickup screen in it. So that's a plus. I had looked up online and it said that GM had a recall on those oil sending unit pickup screens. So it was saying online it's good to take the pickup screen out. So I'm just letting you all know. If you have a GMC Yukon. But I replaced the oil sending unit. No pickup screen is in it. And the last time I cranked it up, the oil pressure was still going down. And I did some more research and they said that sometimes up under the oil pan, the oil pickup tube, it has O-ring around it. And you gotta get up under there and you gotta take the oil pickup tube out, and you have to be able to replace the O-ring. All right, now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna try to fire this engine up and see what the oil pressure does. See if it does any better or not. All right, let's check it out. I let some of the oil out. I think the oil was a little bit excessive. But only one way to find out. Alright, here we go. Let's find out. Don't say oil pressure. Don't say. Service airbag. Come on. We might have fixed it. It ain't saying low oil pressure no more. I think that might have been my problem, was excessive oil. But my check engine light is still on, but the low oil pressure light is not coming on anymore. We're gonna give it a little bit, let it continually to run, and see if the oil pressure light comes back on again. And I'm going to let it run for a little bit. I know the last time it was running hot too. Let's see, the oil pressure hand is right there. Yeah. definitely not still where it needs to be at. I need it to go up. I want to change them other spark plug wires too. Ooh, it's running like crap. Yeah, it's going down for sure. Damn it. See, when I get on the gas, it goes back up. Yeah, it must going down. Let me turn it off. Let me grab y'all, show y'all what I'm working with. Okay, right there, I took the oil pan off. And we got the under. And it looks like the pickup tube is extremely dirty. I don't know if y'all can see on the inside of that pickup tube. Might have to clean that bad boy out. But I'm gonna take this right here off, and I'm gonna see what the crank and all that from the bottom look like. So give me a minute, let me take all this off. Alright you guys, so I got all of that off. I took the oil, I looked down off in the oil pan, and yes, we got some major sludge buildup. So yeah, that definitely ain't good. I mean, I'm sure that's probably a big part of the low oil pressure problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this O-ring off right here. You know, I'm gonna order another one. Let's see, I'm gonna clean the bottom of the oil pan out. I'm gonna clean the oil pickup tube. I'm gonna clean it real good. Let's see, I have to order another one of these right here. I mean, I can get that on Amazon. Because actually I had to go up under the vehicle and I had to replace some wires and stuff because mice had chewed them up, but I got all the wires and stuff back in the right spot. So yeah, that's gonna be the mission, you know what I'm saying, for this GMC Yukon, you know, is to get the parts that I need and then clean those parts and then reinstall them, put new oil in it, and see if it's gonna run better and we're gonna have better oil pressure. Hopefully that works. From my research, they said that on these 5.3s, this oil ring right here, it tends to go bad, and they said it can cause you to have low oil pressure. And I did change the sending unit out on this truck, and the sending unit is actually behind there on the driver's side. I mean, I was looking at some videos and hell, they was taking all the whole intake off just to be able to get to the oil sending unit, but I didn't have to do that, you know. And to get the oil sending unit off, you're gonna need a 27mm socket, and that'll get that oil sending unit off. You might have to use like a universal socket thingy. I got one down there somewhere, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, I gotta go order these parts, and then whenever I get them, I'll be making a new video of reinstalling the new parts, so we can try to get this 5.3 engine running with good oil pressure. You know what I'm saying? So if you're new to the channel, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. And one more thing, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you all will be able to be notified whenever I drop banging out car content, man. I hope y'all have a blessed rest of your day. Stay tuned for the finish of putting these parts and stuff back together, so we can see if we can get this oil pressure right. And y'all have a blessed one. Bow.